Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Eric here with you on Tuesday, February the 13th. Just want to give you a quick little video here about an opportunity that just caught my attention here in shares of Westport Innovations, or Westport Fuel Systems as it's now known. If you kind of take a look here, we're just going to go through this pretty quickly. We had a area here that had acted as a resistance. That's about the 260 level, so it was a resistance over here. Once we were able to get through it here, we kind of bounced around and kind of tested it. Then we were able to move higher. We did set a new high here compared to this one. And now we have pulled back to that area and set a higher high yet still. So like I say, we're taking out that level. And now we have pulled back again. And in sign of encouragement, we have not taken out this low. So we have a higher low in place over here. So that's a good setup. I think that this thing could just be in a range, but that's a range that's pretty large, and about 25–30% from $3 up to $4–4.5. I mean, so you're looking at a 25 to 50% gain there within that range if it does play back to the upside. I think that we can kind of look a little bit shorter term, and I'll show you why this thing caught my attention. The hourly chart here, it's been pretty much brutal to own as this is tricked off, but now we're starting to see some volume coming in on the buyer sides. So that's a good sign to see. And also we had the moving average cross here. This high here was able to take out this one. We pulled back a little bit, actually 2 different times. But an important note to see here is that we did not go below this low set. So we do have a very incremental higher low setting place there. Now we have the moving average cross again. We have taken out this high, and the averages remain in a buy mode, so I think this thing is probably about to start looking to the upside. So I think you can hop in there and play along with me on that long play. Just to kind of fine tune our entry here, we'll look at a little bit shorter term chart. That's a 5.5, and this is a 10.15. So like I said, we're talking about a couple pennies. If this thing is at 2.94 and it dips to the low today, we're talking about 2.90. So I'm not really worried about 4 cents in terms of trying to like time the bottom or anything. I'm just going to kind of hop in here with some calls. I'm looking out at the, I think it was the March or June's that we were looking at. I'm sorry, not March. Let me just tell you real quick. We are looking here at, July, I'm sorry. So I'm looking at the July 3s, which are about 65 cents, or the April 3s, which are about 40 cents. So like I say, that's where you want to play this one at, and I think this is one that can give you a nice little short-term gain for a fairly low amount of risk. All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye-bye.